Hello, 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 and welcome back to my channel. If you are returning, if you are new, welcome. So this is going to be a wedding haul video. I did not do a lot of shopping today. I did order some things from eFavorMart, Oriental Trading, and Amazon. I just ordered that stuff today. But my fiance was in town. He left earlier today. He left like 2 hours ago. So he just wanted to take me shopping today. But guess what? He stressed me out. I can't shop with him. It was too much negativity. He was just, I just can't. I have to shop by myself. It was like really stressing me out. So I really didn't get a lot of things. I really wasn't like planning on getting a lot of things anyway, because the stuff that I wanted to get this week, I already knew I was going to order it from eFavorMart and Oriental Trading and things like that. So I really wasn't planning on getting a lot of stuff, but he just wanted to go spend some money. So let's do it. But anyway, since I have these, I ordered these last week. They just came in on Saturday. So these are for my bouquet. Now, I did not realize these were so small. These are the silk rose petals. I didn't realize they were so small. They're 1.5 inches. And they have little felt backing. And I have black and red because those are my colors. So I have black and red. So I'm going to try the bouquet again with these and see how they work out. But of course, I'm definitely going to order some bigger ones eventually, but I'm just going to play around with these types of these. So that's what I got from Amazon. I picked up some more of these not winged. I must be hungry. These are shot glasses. They rings, and you just put the alcohol in there. So I picked up some more of these. I got these from Dollar Tree. So, yeah. My family likes to drink it. Don't judge. All right, so Hobby Lobby. So they have candles. They have candles and stuff on sale. This is considered candles. So these are mirrors. They are 7 by 7, I think. 7.9. About 7.95. So this one I have these. So this is what I'm making. So I seen this thing that I wanted to make. So this is what I have so far. I probably shouldn't have put a mirror under the bottom. So I'm probably gonna put a board or something on the next one that I'm gonna make. But I started making this and I haven't finished it because this is like, you know, it's been sitting over in the corner for like 3 weeks now. So that's what I got these mirrors for, because I'm going to make another, and I'm actually going to finish this one. I'm going to finish this one, and then I'm going to do another one on camera with you guys, because I want to make sure it turned out the way I want it to turn out. So also at Hobby Lobby, I got these styrofoam, these half balls. So these are the smooth ones, and I think these are better than the other ones. I can't tell. I don't know if you can tell like the difference, how they look. They definitely look better than the other styrofoam balls, and these are the smooth foam half ball. So this is what I'm going to use for my bouquet. So I'm gonna make one of them tonight, hopefully. So I got 2 packs of those, and these are they were $5.99, and it's 4 in a pack. I don't think these ever go on sale. I could be wrong, but I don't think they do. I got some of this felt foam tacky glue. It was $3.99. I was cleaning my garage and I found this too. So do any of you use this foam glue? If so, let me know in the comments how do you like it. I've never used it. I forgot I had it. I just found it. I was cleaning my garage a little bit. So but let me know how you guys like that. I bought some more of these little bling strips. Now this is the his and hers collection. It is not on sale this week. But I needed this. I think I need like 6 more packs, because I'm still working on the centerpiece, and like every time I go to the store, they may have 1 pack or whatever. I know I could order it offline, but I don't know. So I have this. Like I said, it's not on sale this week. It's $2.99. I have these twist tie bowls. It's 12 in a pack. So I'm doing, for our engagement party, we're going to have the popcorn, heat pop, the question, whatever. So I have these bags. It's 50 count. So I got these from Hobby Lobby. These were $2.99. They were not on sale, but these were the cake stuff, the bakery, all that stuff. That's on sale this week. So I got these. So original price was $2.99, and they were 50% off. My fiance picked out this. I don't know. I think he just wanted to get something, honestly. So he picked out this. He was like, "Oh, can we use this?" And I'm like, "Yeah, if you want it." So I'm gonna figure out what to do with this. On this, on the picture, they have it like on their little backdrop stand. So I don't know. We'll figure out something to do with it. And then my mom is just she wants bubbles. I don't know why she wants bubbles at the wedding. I'm not planning on getting bubbles, but she wants bubbles. So they have this blow bubbles of good wishes for the Mr. and Mrs. And they had this on clearance. It was $3.24. The original price is $12.99. So I got this. So that's that bag. And I got this flower, this bushel of roses, because one of my centerpieces, I thought I was finished with it, and I just happened to look at it from a different angle, and I noticed I needed to add like maybe 2 more flowers. So, and these are on sale this week. They are 50% off. So the original price for this is $11.99. So it is 50% off. So when I took my fiance to the airport, I went to a different Hobby Lobby. So all their table decor is on clearance. So I got these Eiffel Towers. My sister is getting married. Her theme, she's doing a Paris theme. That's the theme for her wedding. I don't have a theme, but her theme is Paris. So I got these Eiffel Towers. The original price is $24.99. So they were 50% off. So that's this. So I got 2 for the price of 1. So I'm gonna use these for the bridal shower, I guess. I don't know. And then when I went to that Hobby Lobby, I found some more of these bling strips. So I think I need like 2 more packs now. So hopefully I can go to the Hobby Lobby by where I work at tomorrow, and hopefully they have some. And then I got these bling strips. These are almost like the same size. So I may even use these like when it comes down to it, because I'm so over this centerpiece. I'm ready for it to be done. So I got these. All the Paper Studio items are 50% off this week. So that's what I got from there. And I have 1 more bag. I went to Party City to see what kind of things they had. I went to one Party City. They didn't have anything I liked. So when I went to drop my fiance off at the airport, I went to a different Party City and I found these. So these are the wedding ring security kits. So I have 2 because 2 of my grandsons are going to be my ring bearers. So I got 2 of these, and these were $20. They have these on Amazon as well, but I seen these in Party City and they were $20, and I used my military discount. So I'm like, hey, I think I paid $18 for them with my discount. So those are the items that I have today. I might be back with another video later of my bouquet. Hopefully I can get it together. So until next time, y'all have a great one.